Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw in the title of this video, today we are filming my birthday birthstone bash, and that's us celebrating the Virgo season in a sense, but also it's not all about just being a Virgo. We're talking about our color of the month, which is sapphire. And this came to me because my boyfriend had pointed out that my ring color is blue. It's like the sapphire shade, and it's because that's my birthstone. This is my high school ring, and as you can see, it's like a beautiful shade of blue. And I did give some hints in my last two videos where I changed my font and the color of the words that I was using in my video. It's now blue. It's kind of like a Dodger blue, and that's because I was a little bit hinting at this video here. So if you were born in the month of September, your birthstone is sapphire. So let's get into it. So I went in, I did my brows, I used my regular routine, which is a Santee brow pencil, which is a pointy one, and then the brow kit. And I did stop using that little brush in there, and I'm just using this YL Cosmetics brush, and I did clean them up with some concealer. I did prime my lids with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer situation. It's almost out and it's been really good, so I did that. I'm going in with two palettes. I'm going to go in with this Mirage palette by Kolour Story, and I have talked about this on my channel before. It's just like a beautiful palette, isn't it? If you did watch my last video, my empties video for August, I had this on my eyes, so just in case you wanted to know. And it's perfect because there's this shade right here, which is Sapphire Sky, which is perfect for this look. And we are gonna dip into the Carnaval palette by Cosmetics because it has like blues and stuff, which is perfect. So we're gonna be dipping into these two. What's interesting is that I had forgot that last year I did birthday look on my YouTube. It was like me doing my makeup, but it had like background music. I wasn't talking, and I literally like tripled and quadrupled everything. Like I used like 4 foundations, like 5 eyeshadow palettes, like 2 different lipsticks. It was like a crazy look. If you wanted to see it, I'll probably post a picture of it, but it was all purple because that's my favorite color. But for today we're doing blue, we're doing sapphire, and then I'm gonna give you some information. So I did mention it was part of my Virgo collab with Little Miss Nat, and that one went up last week. That one was a really amazing collab. If you haven't watched it, it's gonna be linked down below. But yeah, so I think it was in that video where I mentioned that my birthday is on September 7th. So you guys are watching this on the 5th. My birthday is Saturday, but I am pre-filming. I'm taking advantage of the 4-day weekend, and I just want to get this up, like just have it ready to go, because I don't want to film that week. I want to have everything kind of done, just because I've been stressing out, like not stressing out, but I'm like a all work no play person, just like I mentioned in that video. Definitely that's like a big trait for me, and so like everything's been work lately and I kind of need to slow down. But today in the morning I woke up super early. Today is Friday. I just started right away like working. I see YouTube and Instagram as my job. Like I feel like, you know, obviously I don't get paid and stuff, but I already feel like it's my job. Like I just have this obligation where I need to post because I want to, and because it's like my job. Like it's just my work, and I love to see like how far I've come and stuff. And yeah, so definitely like making the finds and stuff is not like easy. When we go out, we just do a lot of finds at once, so that makes me have a lot of pictures, but we're not talking about that today. See, I'm already getting sidetracked. I'm talking about work. You see, I also painted my nails. This is a nail polish from Forever 21. It's a beautiful shade of blue. So apparently sapphire, the gem, because it's a gemstone, comes in a variety of shades except in red, which is interesting. But the popular one is the blue one, which is the one that I have on my ring, which is why, you know, we always see like the blue sapphire and stuff, because that's the most popular. What's interesting, I wonder why it doesn't come in red, but it comes in every other color apparently. And yeah, it's so beautiful. Talk about what sapphire represents. I was doing some research on it. The gemstone sapphire represents purity and purity of the soul. It was also believed that the gemstone was a protection against snakes and like reptiles and stuff, which is so random. And it was like mostly worn by royalty and by priests, because it would ward off evil, like evil people and evil spirits, evil omens against you, whatever. Yeah, so it was protection against evil, which is so interesting because I would never have thought that.
Yes, it was good against... Okay, now the squirrels are fighting outside. What's happening today?
It would also protect you against poisoning. It also symbolizes, like I said, purity, but also wisdom. Oh my god, this blue is beautiful and perfect for this look. And also shout out to all the Virgos out there, or September babies. Happy birthday to all of you. Hope you guys have an amazing month. There's an ancient belief that if you were born in September, that you can benefit from mysterious powers, which is very interesting as well. Sapphire also represents health, intelligence, and truth. It was also considered to be a gem with healing powers. So apparently, like, if you had the gem, like, nothing bad could happen to you essentially. And a lot of people had it like over there, like as a necklace or in a ring form. Oh my gosh, the only thing with the YL shadows is they're super powdery, but they're beautiful though. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the eyes. I just added some glitter. I added some of the Too Faced glitter that came in a kit a long time ago. And this one's in glitterally. And I just use it with this City Color little sparkle and shine thing. It's like already rubbing off, but I always use this. This one works great for me. And then I just lined my eyes with my Pink Panther liner that I always talk about. Okay, I guess I'm gonna just tell you guys what I'm using on my face. I'm going in with some La Fer cream all over. So I'm finally gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. You guys have seen this, oh my gosh. But it's like it's an interesting consistency. So I'm just gonna take some of that and put it on like the innermost part of my face, because that's where I get the most oily. And I am gonna start going fast, like speeding through this. Well, the gem represents truth, it represents clarity, it represents clear thinking. In ancient Rome, it was worn by royalty to ward off like evil spirits, evil intentions. If people like wish bad upon you, whatever, it would help with that. And overall, like integrity, maintaining self-discipline, I thought was really interesting, and channeling higher powers. And yeah, so that's all I gathered on that. It was Sapphire is such a beautiful shade of blue. I hope I did it justice with this eye look. I'm just gonna throw everything else on and then we could end the video. Okay, mascara on. I did everything else. Everything's gonna be down below if you wanted to know anything that I put on my face after the little break. But I'm just in a hurry. I need to go because my boyfriend's been waiting since the beginning of this video outside, so I need to kind of speed it up a bit. Gonna line, and for my last video I'm gonna use the same one. If you were wondering what was on my lips in that video, in my empties video, I was using this one. It's an H&M Velvet Lip Cream, and this one's in Sunstone. It's such a beautiful shade. It's like, it's so beautiful. And then the formula itself is so movable because it's a lip cream, but it does like, it doesn't move easy like a lipstick would, you know. It's really good. It would probably look better with the brown, like with the Wet n Wild caramel cake situation, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I don't know if I want to add gloss to it. I think I am. Oh man, it's like hot today too. He's probably all sweaty. He's gonna get mad when I go outside. I don't know if he knows I'm filming. This is a MAC lip gloss, in case I didn't mention it. I don't think I did. It's such a beautiful gloss. It's definitely like my favorite from all my glosses that I own. We're gonna end it now because who knows how long I've been filming and how long he's been out there waiting. He's such a great boyfriend. I need to get him the greatest boyfriend award because yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. This was definitely an interesting video. A lot of interruptions, a lot of drama involved, but we made it and it was a good video. I'm guessing. I haven't looked at the footage, but I hope that you guys learned something about the September birthstone, and I hope you guys had fun. I'm not gonna see you guys until Tuesday, so yeah, so my birthday is this Saturday and I'm sure I'm gonna have tons of fun and it's gonna be drama free, hopefully. But yeah, so, and happy birthday to little Miss Nat. I know your birthday's on the 6th, a day before mine. I hope you have an amazing birthday and that you get a lot of gifts and a lot of love and stuff happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday to everyone else that's a Virgo, everyone that's not a Virgo. Happy birthday to the world. Everyone, happy birthday. I am gonna put everything that I used today down below, all the names, all the prices. You'll also notice down there recent videos or latest videos, and those are just videos that I posted last week. I'll have some thumbnails displayed right now, and those are some that I posted, and if you're interested in watching those, I'll have links provided as well. You just click on it and you go if you want to watch those, and those are also available in the description box below. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday in case you want to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this. I have my Insta handle right here. I post a lot of finds and I post a lot of like makeup shots and stuff, so if you're interested in any of that, everything's over there. It's a lot of fun. I hope you can come join. It'd be great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.